Hi, this is Manash Patel with IMTF. Today is IMTF day. We're going to show you some trades that potentially go long term. Today we're going to show you something of counter trend. And what do I mean by counter trend? It's going against the norm. Why would you be interested in that? What goes up very fast can reverse very fast too. And that's what we're looking for, is quick, fast money long term. So to do counter trend, you're looking for the shade green here. Then you're looking for an opposite trade to go down, and you do it the same way. You find a black cross on a red line, a green line. You have it here. Set up an order a couple of points below the previous bar low. You enter right there. Your stop is the current bar high. At the end of the bar, you have to be profitable. If you are, you stay in. Second bar, which is the current bar, you have to be more profitable. It looks like we're going to close more profitable in this bar. So now at the end of this bar, which is daily, we will sit there and change our stop to break even. And now this is controlled by the green line. We'll stay in this trade going down until price closes above the green line. That's how simple counter trend is.